Going to learn about the concept of cultural materialism. Cultural materialism is a theoretical framework and research method for examining the relationships between the physical and economic aspects of production. It also explores the values, beliefs, and worldviews that predominate society. The concept is rooted in Marxist theory and popular in anthropology, sociology, and the field of cultural studies. So, cultural materialism has different roots. It comes from Marxism, which talks about the bourgeois and the proletariat and how the proletariat were ignored in the mainstream history. It also comes from anthropology, from different races, from social cultures, and also from cultural studies when you understand the culture, the basic culture of a place. So, history of cultural materialism. The theoretical perspective and research methods of cultural materialism emerged in the late 1960s, developing more fully in the 1980s. Cultural materialism was first introduced and popularized in the field of anthropology via Marvin Harris' 1968 book, The Rise of Anthropological Theory. So it was first in the field of anthropology that cultural materialism, the term, was used. In this work, Harris built on Marx's theory of base and superstructure to craft a theory of how culture and cultural products fit into the greater social system. He argued that technology, economic production, the built environment, etc., influences both the structure of society, social organizing and relations, and the superstructure, the collection of ideas, values, beliefs, and worldviews. He asserted that one must take this whole system into account to understand why cultures differ from place to place and group to group, as well as why products such as art and consumer goods are created in a given place and context for those who use them. So it's all about the psychology of the people, that why they are buying certain products, why they are behaving in the way, what kind of dresses they are wearing. Everything has something to do about their sociology, about their environment, about their culture, about their beliefs. So everything is related to everything else. Later, Welsh academic Raymond Williams further developed the theoretical paradigm and research method, helping to create the field of cultural studies in the 1980s. Embracing the political nature of Marx's theory and his critical focus on power and class structure, Williams' cultural materialism took aim at how cultural products relate to a class-based system of domination and oppression. So culture can also be used as a tools of domination. It can be used ideologically. Culture can be used to dominate or marginalize certain people in the society. Williams devised his theory of cultural materialism using pre-existing critiques of the relationships between culture and power, including the writings of Italian scholar Antonio Gramsci and the critical theory of the Frankfurt School. Frankfurt School is a school of Marxist theories. It is also used as a research method. Using cultural materialism as a research method, sociologists can produce a critical understanding of the values, beliefs, and worldviews of a period through close study of cultural products. They can also discern how these values connect to social structure, trends, and problems. To do so, they must consider the historical context in which a product was made, analyze its symbolism, and how the item fits within the greater social structure. So the products of culture, what are being produced by the culture, that is very important. The structure is built around that. And the historical context that we talked about in New Historicism. That's why New Historicism and cultural materialism are sometimes studied